Hello dear winners, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. Today we're going to be making delicious popcorn, and I'll be walking you through the process on how to make this yummy popcorn, so that when you need to Netflix and chill, you can do it from the comfort of your home with some popcorn. So you're going to need some butter, you're going to need some corn seeds, you're going to need sugar. So you're going to turn that into a pan. You're going to turn the butter as well, and you're going to just mix that up. Once you've mixed to combine, then you're going to add the corn seeds, and you're going to mix this properly to combine. Now don't be in a hurry, and just take your time and mix. You're going to continue to stir this until you hear the first pop. Now don't worry, you're just going to keep stirring. Now this is the secret. You're going to keep this on low to medium heat. You don't want it too hot so it doesn't burn. You're just making it hot enough to allow the heat to roast the corn and then allow it to pop. Now you can see that the first pop has happened. Then you're going to cover the pan so that it doesn't overflow while popping. So you're going to use the pan lid, and you're going to cover the top of the pot so that it can pop properly. Then you're going to stir at intervals, just shake the pot so that it doesn't burn under, like you can see me doing in the video. You're just going to stir, allow to rest, stir, and then once that is ready, once you stop hearing the pop sound, you know that your popcorn is ready. And this is how it looks, absolutely beautiful. Then you're going to place that, and you're going to allow that to cool. Now if you want to have the popcorn that usually has milk, you're going to pour milk, powdered milk, over it while it's still warm, and then you're going to shake it a bit, shake it so that it can cover all of the popcorn. And that's it, guys. Now you have your milk popcorn as well, and then you can enjoy. Let me know if this was helpful and if you'll be trying it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, so that you'll be notified whenever we post recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.